This is the latest version of the 180G line laser from PLS. The laser's got a nice rubbery casing, makes it really easy to grip, and it'll absorb a drop from 1 meter. It's also IP54 rated for water and dust. Easy to use controls as well. Both the vertical and horizontal pendulum switch on and off at the press of a button. Self levels within 4 degrees almost instantly, and there's a pendulum lock on the side as well for transit. And that lock also allows you to strike an angled line if needed. It's powered by 3 AA batteries. It'll light up your life continuously for 3 hours. There's 3 variations available with this laser. You can get a bare unit or a basic kit which includes the universal wall and ceiling bracket, as well as the SIS kit which includes the SLD detector. The SLD detector will increase your accuracy at range and it can be read from both sides. All 3 variations include this nice little Velcro pouch, and the SIS kit and the kit include this sexy case for transport and storage. It's also available in a red laser for those of you that prefer that sort of thing. PLS is a flute company and these lasers are quality. Check out the full range on our website or drop into your local Sydney Tools store. Until next time, thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.